Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. How to become a video podcaster. Thinking of starting your own video podcast? Well, creating a successful video podcast requires more than just a compelling script and an interesting topic. In this video, we will explore all the key elements you need to become a professional podcast artist from scratch. Becoming a video podcaster can be an exciting journey. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Define your niche. Decide on the topic or theme of your podcast. Choose something you're passionate about and have expertise in, whether it's technology, gaming, cooking, finance, or any other area of interest. Research and plan. Spend time researching existing podcasts in your chosen niche. Identify gaps or areas where you can offer unique insights or perspectives. Plan your podcast format, episodes, and potential guests. Choose a platform. Decide where you want to host your podcast. Platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or even your website are popular choices. Each platform has its pros and cons, so choose the one that aligns best with your goals and audience. Create compelling content. Start producing episodes for your video podcast. Focus on creating engaging, valuable content that resonates with your target audience. Be consistent with your publishing schedule to keep your audience engaged. Promote your podcast. Use social media, email newsletters, and other marketing channels to promote your video podcast. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and encourage sharing to increase visibility. Collaborate and network. Collaborate with other podcasters or influencers in your niche to expand your reach. Networking like-minded individuals can also provide valuable insights and opportunities for growth. Monitor and improve. Keep track of your podcast performance through analytics and listener feedback. Continuously improve your content, production quality, and marketing strategies based on the data and insights you gather. Monetize your podcast. Explore monetization options such as advertising, partnerships, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, merchandise sales, or offering premium content to your audience. The biggest thing to note is that you don't even need the biggest audience to start making money from your podcast. Stay consistent and persistent. Building a successful video podcast takes time and effort. Stay consistent with your content creation and promotion efforts, and don't get discouraged by challenges or setbacks along the way. Persistence and dedication are key to long-term success. Why should you start a podcast? Podcasting is an incredibly versatile medium that's unlike most other media outputs. It's a great way to create your own personal or business platform, establish your voice, harness a captive audience, and cultivate a loyal community. Whether you are an individual creator or a business, podcasting has invaluable potential to benefit your work in a number of different areas. Perhaps the biggest reason to start a podcast, though, is just how easy it is. You don't need any prior experience or expertise at all to start a professional podcast. And you certainly don't need a big budget either. Try to not get discouraged as you work your way up. Every podcaster has to start somewhere. And there's no reason why you can create something great if you're willing to put in the time and effort to make it happen, right? You can meet people from around the world, including viewers and fellow creators. These connections can be incredibly rewarding and inspiring. Whether you're sharing knowledge, raising awareness on important issues, or just entertaining, you have the power to impact lives positively. If that's not enough to convince you, let's take a look at some podcasting statistics and trends and let the numbers do the talking. These numbers speak for themselves. Podcasts offer huge potential exposure, reach, and pre-existing captive audience. Essential video podcast tools. Camera. Quality visuals are crucial for video podcasts. You can start with a DSLR, a mirrorless camera, or even a smartphone with a good camera. Ensure it can shoot in high definition, 1080p, or even 4K. Microphone. Audio clarity is key. Invest in good quality microphone, USB or XLR mics, depending on your setup. Consider lapel mics if your format is more dynamic. Lighting. Good lighting makes a huge difference. Basic LED ring light or softbox lights can dramatically improve video quality. Recording software. Software like OBS Studio or Streamlabs is great for recording and streaming. They allow you to mix live footage, integrate pre-recorded clips, and add graphics. Editing software. Tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or more user-friendly options like iMovie or Filmora. Also, we have an app that can help you in your podcasting journey. It's called Voisi, an AI voice and language toolkit. Voisi can handle multi-voice, people conversations, create dramas, engage in conversational stories, and conversational podcasts easily. No special formatting needed. Just feed in your conversation script. It also has hundreds of unique and different lifelike voices and more. And that's it for today's video. Remember, the most important thing is to enjoy the process and stay true to your passion for your chosen topic. Good luck on your video podcasting journey. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Before we end this video, let me introduce to you Voisi, the ultimate AI voice and language toolkit. Unleash your creativity in any language with hundreds of lifelike voices, voice-to-text, and translations. Get access to all major voice AIs, create narrations, voiceovers, and conversations. The only voice toolkit with automation, convert text to audio, audio to text, audio to audio, and change language. The only AI voice toolkit that gives you all the top AIs. OpenAI Whisper, Microsoft Voice, Google Neural Voice, Amazon AI, IBM AI, and a lot more. Go beyond voiceovers and narrations. Voisi lets you create conversations with 2 or more speakers. Save hundreds in voice and processing charges. Voisi gives you cheap access to expensive platforms through our special agreements. No monthly fee or charges payable to the platform that you want to use. Good prices and savings over high-price end-user deals. Access to platforms, voices, and capabilities that are not available to normal users. Create multilingual website pages. Grab more leads, sales, and prospects with multilingual websites. Hundreds of languages. Work with all the prominent languages of the world. Speaks your audio in any accent. Voisi supports foreign voice accents in speech patterns, even exotic ones. All major global accents available in all major global languages, US, UK, and dozens of other accents. Create dramas, conversations, narrations, fictions, podcasts, and anything you want. Grow your business in any market. Translate ads, podcasts, and create local blogs, conversations, stories in any language. Show up in unexpected places. Appear in local search engines, directories, and websites with local content. The most affordable voice AI system. Use popular AIs without buying an account or paying subscription. Be everyone's voice and language expert. Every business needs voice and language content. Tap this huge market with Voisi. Voisi is getting better and better. New voices, new languages, and new AIs added all the time. So what are you waiting for? Get Voisi now. Just go to getvoisi.in. I hope you find this video helpful, and thanks for watching.